Samgelisiwe Chonco. I went to varsity. I studied labor law and labor relations management. However, due to the fact that there's a higher rate of unemployment in South Africa, I didn't find employment. I applied for a learnership with iFundi for IT, technical support help desk. I got accepted for this learnership. I came back, started it, finished it. Due to COVID, we were not absorbed, all of us. iFundi had an obligation to actually find us employment for the client. I got an interview as a receptionist here at iFundi. And then it has worked on my advantage, reason being, I am part of the IT coordinators in iFundi, and I'm also a project administrator at the same time. Studying technical support has paved a way for me to be a technician in iFundi. The main thing that has stood out for me was the coordinators. They take care of their learners. For instance, some of the time there's portal issues. It's technical stuff, it happens. As a learner or an online learner, you wouldn't know what to do and where to go to besides going to your facilitators. However, the coordinators, they're the one that monitors the assessments and everything. They follow up with you, they make sure that you submitted all the assessments. If you need any extra help, they also offer that. To all the students who are actually thinking of signing up with iFundi or taking a leap of faith into directing their careers, I would say take a shot. It's worth it. See where I am today. I am a graduate of Valley University of Technology. However, that didn't work out. But with iFundi, it actually guarantees you employment in the future. From where I'm coming from, iFundi has portrayed a very good picture for me. I'm employed because of iFundi. Bearing in mind that I had another qualification, I didn't find employment. So now I have NQF level 4, but I was able to find a job with NQF level 5. Imagine what you can do. If I were to describe my experience with iFundi in one word, that would be exceptional. The experience was amazing, they were engaging. This has changed me in a way into saying that I have gained skills that are actually relatable in the market. With iFundi, you get the skills and you get the work experience. That makes it more and more amazing because that counts in the employment industry. I'm here to assure you that it is amazing. We have people who actually support you. They keep up with the workload so you can never feel overwhelmed with the work that you're getting. As currently I hold a qualification in QF level 4, I would like to further my skills by assigning or enrolling with a software development in QF level 5 with iFundi. If you're thinking about it, don't think about it, just make it your next move.